Hey y'all, I am back. Yes, my name is Mikara Reid. I am an image consultant, and today I just got finished having a nice little virtual girls night out. And I'm like, I feel like sharing is definitely caring. You know, it was very difficult for me to, get in the mood, get in the vibe. Me and my homegirl, we always have a girls' night out at least once a month because, she has a family. I'm on my single life now, and we still need to have like a little girls' night where we can just, be ourselves, be real girly, and just talk about, girly stuff. So me and her definitely discussed it was just so hard just trying to just exude, just being a woman. Each of us have our different ways of, being very womanly, being very girly, feminine. And of course, I have no hair, so hair is really not my thing. Hair is more her thing, but I am more into skincare and definitely the lip, even though I did not have a lip on today because I just could not decide. And I said, let me make a video on Fenty Beauty lipstick. I was not a fan of Fenty Beauty because it was just a few hiccups with her brand. I mean, I tried the foundation when it first came out, and I just wasn't feeling how it was just making my skin feel. I also had a problem with the delivery. It was just delayed. Then I tried the lip stunner, I want to say. It's like a nude that fits my complexion as like a true nude to my complexion, and I hated how my lips was feeling. It was just not feeling good. I have voluptuous lips. I need to stay hydrated, and along that, I drink a lot, drinking a lot of water. Tonight I'm sipping on some wine, but I drink a lot, and if my lipstick is coming off, that's a no-go for me. So long wear is very, very important to me. It's definitely on my priority list when I'm trying on lipstick or lip gloss or any type of lip stain or whatever. So in another situation where I was trying her beauty line, and that also took a very long time, and the customer service, I just was not impressed. So when I was rushed to a store and I wanted a particular color, I went to Sephora, and the salesperson told me to try out this color. It's that hot red. I can't think of it, but I know I wore it in the video where it's titled I experienced finding ID New York City. And I got a lot of compliments because that red really pops on my skin, my undertone. I have a lot of mixtures in my undertone, but that type of red just really looks really good. And not only that, it matched my nail colors at the time. So I was really feeling it, and it also just stayed. It stayed on my lips because after I finished doing that video, I ate, and I still had the lipstick was still popping. It didn't have that fading effect. It didn't give me that chapped dryness at all. So I was I'm really feeling this. The lipstick is very, very sleek. How it is very slim. It's not that bulky, classic type of, it has a new type of modern day sleekness to it. So I said, let me try it out again. I ordered it during Black Friday. I had a guilty pleasure. I just was man, we've been cooped up in this house for about 9-10 months. A lot of us, and I need something new. I mean, I know we're not going nowhere, but I mean, I'm creating some videos for y'all, right? So I needed something new. So actually, I bought these during Black Friday, yes, and they're just now getting here. And I'ma just say, like I said, the customer service, listen, I'm not really surprised, but what can you say? So I'm just not getting the package, and I want to get into it. I want to definitely get into it, show y'all the colors that I bought, and we are going to get into the colors that I bought. Yes, wait. First, can we get into my earrings? Okay. Yes. Earrings. I love earrings. If I can't decide on a lipstick, you know for sure I'm trying on some. I'm having 50,000 earrings. I might just break this video up just so I can change my earrings to go with the different shades of lipstick. I haven't decided, but I'll be thinking fast. But yes. So let's get into the lipsticks that I bought. I bought Flamingo Acid. We're gonna get into that. And then I bought Candy Venom. This looks really popping. I definitely need some brightness to my life. I think we might do this first. And then we also bought Tiger Tiny. This is nice and bright too, but I'm a little sketchy about the color. And then I don't know why I chose PMS. I have not been on my dark lipstick type of vibe very lately. I've been working a lot with a few companies, production companies, and they want us to wear, you know, all black. And I need a pop of something. I cannot just do all black. Like, it makes me feel depressed. I feel like that's some type of syndrome or something if you wear a color all black. I don't know. I don't know. I'm just weird like that. But yeah, I just need a pop of something. I mean, can't you tell my earrings? But yeah, we're gonna try out Candy Venom. So if you guys are new to this channel, I'm gonna let you guys know I am an image consultant, stylist, creative director. I focus more on the wardrobe and your brand imaging, like your whole overall presence. I do not focus too much on makeup, even though I do feel like makeup is a part of your day-to-day presence. For me, I'm not a makeup kind of girl. I'm more of a skincare kind of girl, so I might get deep on that. But I am doing a perspective of review on a girl who just wants a natural look, but definitely wants to have like a different type of lipstick on, a long-lasting color lipstick. And also if you're a dark-skinned girl, because we definitely need representation for dark-skinned girls. So I am a big lipstick wearer because I have no hair. It's been over 10 years. My face is predominantly clean mostly all the time, unless I'm going for a certain look. But on 95% of the time, my face is very clean, very close to my skin, to how I am. And a pop of color is definitely a thing with some avant-garde type of earrings. Like, this is actually this can actually be like an everyday look. If in a perfect world, like, this will be a perfect look. I would change the color of the shirt. I probably would wear white or something, or like a nice, you know, mauve type of color. But this can do. So we're gonna try on this lipstick for y'all. Okay, so like I said, I'm not a makeup artist. I'm not a makeup enthusiast. I'm just I'm just trying to on as a perspective as an everyday girl who wants to look good and doing a review. If you're a dark-skinned girl and want to try out a new lipstick because you've just been cooped up in the house, I think it's still on sale for like $9. That's why I bought so many. I wanted to buy more, but I wasn't too crazy about the colors in person when I saw it on the computer screen. So here we are about to try out Candy Venom. So this color is super cute. Okay, I love the lipstick. It comes like this, very sleek. I love it. So you could just throw it in your bag, throw it on the side in a zipper. This is the packaging. It's cute. So let's try it on. Let's play dress up, y'all. All right. Alright, so this is the look. I'm not wearing any liner, of course, as you just saw, but I would put liner on, but I'm feeling it. I really like the moisture. Again, I'm not a makeup artist. This is not perfect, girl. This is me just trying it on for y'all so y'all can check out the swab and get the live action of it. I love the moisture. It's very moisturizing for my lips. And one of the things that I do, I know I watch like YouTube tutorials. I'll see makeup artists do the swab like on the forearm, but for me, like, seeing the color on my forearm is definitely totally different than my lips close to my face, because your forearm is lighter than your face. Like your body has different areas, different shades all over your body. So I mean, I don't know, maybe they can explain. Like I said, I'm not a makeup artist, but for me, my type of test, I'd like to try it on, and I'm liking this. My next thing to do to check for long wearing is to actually drink. I like to drink a couple of times, so you know, just in case you're at an event and you're drinking, and you're not looking, you'll know for sure if the lipstick is still on. And it's still on. It's still on. Like the liquid, you guys saw me drinking, not only just touching the glass, but the liquid was also, you know, getting mixed in there with my lips. So that shows you that the pigment on my lipstick is still popping. So throughout the night, you guys are good. So that passed the tests for the drinking. So my next thing, if I can get this open, is the tissue test, the kiss test. This is like a trick that I learned from like in elderly. I used to take care of my elderlies, and this is like a test that they used to do. I know a couple of them would kiss themselves, like, so they'll see. So that's how they did, and it's still kind of on there. I see the top of my lip kind of like fading, but if I had like a lip liner, it probably would have stayed. And so some other elderly ladies, they also showed me the tissue. If you get like a tissue or like a paper towel, this is like, you can kiss this as well. And so once you do that, you know, the pigment is kind of still there. It needs a little touch up, but again, like I said, if I had like a liner and prepped it a little bit more. But no, I think I'm good throughout the night. Yes, girls. Okay, I'm gonna do another drink test. Cheers. And you know what? Just because I'm just feeling nice and spicy, I'm gonna wait like 30 minutes, and then we are going to get back to see if this gets a thumbs up or a thumbs down. Okay? All right, so we back, and I really like it. I mean, I'm very familiar. Well, I'm not gonna say very familiar, but I'm familiar with the moisture because, like I said, I tried the red lipstick, which was my damn. You guys check out the video where it's titled "My Experience at Finding ID New York City." That red. That was Fenty Beauty lipstick, my damn. So I'm familiar with the moisture, and like I said, after I made that video, I cooked, I ate, I drank, and it still like stayed on when I went to the bathroom and kind of like did my nighttime, regimen of taking it off, and I was very impressed. Even with the even with the disappointing expectations of the customer service and the previous experiences, but I'm definitely liking this Mattemoiselle Plush matted lipstick. I like the formula for my lips because it is a struggle finding some moisturizing lipstick for voluptuous lips. I cannot be out here looking crazy. So for this color, I do like it. I really like it. Let me know if you guys are liking it down below. Would you guys actually try it? Again, this is Candy Venom. Yeah, let me know if you guys like the lipstick long wear test that I do. Like I said, get you a glass. It could be a glass of water and just drink from it, because that's what I do a lot of when I go to events, when I go to meetings. I'm drinking and I don't want it to fade away each sip that I do. So that's definitely a test that I do. And then another one is the kiss test, which is kissing yourself. It can be your inner arm, or it can be your hands, your inner, or inside your arm, wherever you want to kiss yourself. That's definitely a trick that can be done. Or you can do a tissue. Definitely get a clean one. But yeah, kissing the tissue. It could be a tissue, it could be a paper towel or toilet paper, or it could be a white piece of paper. Just doing a kissing test is definitely a thing that I do. And then just letting it just settle in on your lips for 30 minutes. It definitely needs to like oxidize and just get used to your skin oils and stuff like that. So I approve of Candy Venom. I like this color. Okay, I hope y'all like. I might bust out some more of these. We're gonna run through this because I'm feeling real spicy. Hey girls. All right, so let me know down below in the comments if you guys really like this color. Do you guys approve? Let me know if you tried it out, and also let me know if you guys tried out the long wear test that I just provided you guys, because yes, that is definitely a thing. All right, until next time, I will talk to you guys later. Bye guys.